So we got Leah here today. So what did you originally come in for then? What would you have going on then?
So I have a rare illness called complex regional pain syndrome, and that affects the upper left quadrant of my body. So my neck and my shoulders were out, and then I also have lower back issues.
Okay.
So.
And then you've been getting good results, or how's it been?
Amazing results, good. Like 100% sold. Yeah.
Great to hear. All right, well let's get started here. Let's lay down. And anything going on specifically today?
I did travel, so I'm tight back here.
Okay, gotcha.
But no, overall, just the reg.
Gotcha. All right. Let's check in. I was ready to go today.
Top before and after.
Yeah. Yeah, the low back is tight. Okay. So it's running this L5 kind of where it's usually at. Like 40 cats staring at me.
You better do a good job.
And one lady came in with like yoga pants had a bunch of eyes on it, so it was like weird.
Staring at
you. Here, so it's gonna be sore. Yeah.
Oh,
Is that too much?
No.
Yeah, you can see your whole leg shaking, right? So you can kind of zoom in here, see if her legs shake when we. Usually that means that muscle's really tight, so that's like precursor for like sciatica. So that's the same muscle. All right, we're gonna do some drops.
Look at that.
Yeah, I know, it's good, yeah. All right, let's come up and we'll just go all the way down to the edge of the table, and then you like the Y strap, right?
I love the Y strap.
Do we do this one or the one that goes into the chin?
You did the under the chin on Wednesday.
Which one works better, right?
They both work good.
We'll just
you usually flip me.
We'll use the classic, so we're gonna be scrolling down.
Yeah.
All right, lay all the way back.
This just gets the deepest release I've ever had.
Yeah. Relax. You're doing great. Okay. That's it there, and then let me double check it. Neck. Yeah, I think we got it all there. That's it there. All right. We're all set, so that we'll do it. So.
Excellent. Ta-da!
Well, thank you then. Thank you then.
Thank you. You're amazing. I am so much better,
we're glad to have you.
And I am grateful.